we're on our way to Ottawa to the Museum of Nature. Kids back there. It's a 2-hour drive, so they're entertaining themselves. And now we're here at the Nature Museum. We made it. So the first exhibit is the outside owls.
Look up in the corner, we got a great horn.
Oh wow!
Is it real? Yeah,
It's sleeping.
It's sleeping right now. That's a great. So look. So
It has a nest up there in the corner.
there's no nest. Here's how this.
Yes, it's here. I want to show you.
Oh wow! It's awake.
Eurasian eagle.
It's beautiful. Oh, it's looking right at me.
Oh, how
Hi.
big that is.
Looking at
I
Abby.
just want to pet it. I just want to pet that thing.
No, you don't want to pet them. Those claws are razor sharp. A barred owl.
Oh, barn owls are so cute. And their faces are so flat, but
His
it's not,
name is Onyx.
it's not facing us.
That looks like Hedwig.
Sort of. Oh, here we go.
Oh, there it is.
Oh my god. He's still
Hi.
sleeping now.
That's a little creepy. That's all I'm saying.
That's not creepy at all.
And then this is Oberon, and he is a snowy owl.
Oh, there he is. Look how beautiful he is.
If he's a snowy owl,
Yes,
he's
there's Oberon and Luna.
a snowy owl.
What was that? That was one of the
Cute.
They're snowy owls.
Well, snowy. Or just same thing, snowy owl.
Yeah, and guess what? Luna is the same age as you.
Oh, wow.
A bald eagle.
Oh.
Abby,
It's
come here.
huge.
Oh, look at the bald.
We are heading to the fossil gallery.
You guys,
Gabriel, what do you think of the dinosaurs?
T-Rex. That's not as big as I expected T-Rex to be. Like, it'd be from the floor to the ceiling. That's how big T-Rex is supposed to be. That was there. What is this? Tiny. South American predator. That's what that is. I think that is real.
Carnotaurus.
Wow.
What is that? Okay.
That is the Edmontonosaurus. Guess why it's called the Edmontonosaurus? It was found in Edmonton.
What was everything?
Oh, Abby found the eggs.
Real.
Awesome.
The Parasaurolophus. It sounds like a duck. And that's its call.
Very interesting. Look at that big sea turtle up here.
We are going to. Yeah. That's called the Archelon.
A robot.
And then you've got
Killers of the American of the agencies. Killers of the agencies.
so
That's the freaking Brontosaurus.
Yeah. Oh, wow. So this dinosaur is right here. That's its long neck, and its head is right there.
Oh.
Go ahead. Sorry, what kind of dinosaur is it?
That's a Triceratops. We have
You're right.
I do not know what this is called, but it looks familiar.
Whoa.
Now, don't cross that line. You're not going to be able to.
Oh, it's eating something.
It's eating a bone or something.
That looks like an ostrich or something.
Do you guys like the dinosaur exhibit? No? Gabe? Yeah, you do. And that's the end of the dinosaur exhibit. Now we're going into the mammal gallery.
Is there actually water in here?
No.
Oh, look, it's trying to get a seal.
Hello. I think that's what this is meant for.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a fish. Oh, they think you're not climbing? Oh, so yeah.
Yeah, don't fool me. That's right.
Oh, wow.
I found some more foxes.
We'll get to it. We'll get to it.
What is this? Oh,
She's looking over her babies.
leopards. I think. Leopards.
Nope.
Here we have Arctic bunny.
Arctic bunnies. Look at their fur. It's so thick.
Arctic hares.
2 Arctic hares grass. No, that's. There's a whole.
Oh, wow. What are these called, Gabe?
Goats.
No, you're so smart.
Yeah, they're aggressive. If you're ever on a mountain, watch out for these things because they'll go just launch you off. Like They'll just take the whole thing. Wait, guys, wherever your direction goes, it changes. My pet.
Oh, did you find reindeer?
Oh my, that's a massive one. Colored pika.
Oh, it's so cute.
That's a colored pika.
Oh, it's a
Eastern gray
squirrel.
squirrel.
We have a lot of these in our backyard. No, we have black squirrels.
Black squirrels.
We have the no, I've seen one before. We have the no, we have the Arctic.
No, we don't. We've got the black squirrel in our backyard.
The what?
Black squirrels.
Not want to touch those. These porcupines are shit. Can you touch those or no?
No.
Have you touched those? You can get a.
Look how cute the skunk is. I know, we didn't see the bears.
Beavers.
You see beavers?
There's beavers. Abby, can I show someone?
These are the cute little Arctic fox that Gabriel was trying to get me to come and see. It's so cute. It's just the one. All right, and that is the end of the mammal exhibit. I'm gonna head over to the water exhibit over there. Look at that. And it's actually turning. All right, we're heading to the water gallery. Here we go. Oh, wow. Mm-hmm.
Blue whale.
Oh, this is a big blue whale. Wow. It's huge. And it just keeps going. And we have some cute beluga whales.
Right there, that I need starfish.
You want to touch the starfish, Gabe?
You're scared.
And look, there's some sea urchins over there.
There's some mussels.
That's a red sea.
Yeah. But I'm not. They're just gonna go.
I'm definitely not touching
And
I'm definitely not touching that sea.
Hi, how are you? Well, rinse our hands?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, so these are living animals. We don't want to hurt them. And we're not going to play with them. So we just want to touch them to see what they feel like. That's it. So you can touch the beautiful mottled bat star there. Just feel like this with 2 fingers. There's the scallop and the triton snail, which is hanging out on top of the scallop. And if you're very careful, you can gently put 1 finger between the spikes of the urchin, and it'll go like this on your finger. But it doesn't hurt. It's a fickle matter.
Are you going to do it, Gabe?
You're scared
I'm
now?
gonna do it.
Oh,
Okay.
it's amazing. You'll love it. Okay. So go
So
ahead.
in between, it's kind of hard to see.
That's okay. Just go between the spikes and stay there for a second. Don't move. Just test. Feel a little squeeze?
No, not at all.
No, not at all. Okay, maybe you didn't put your finger in the right spot.
Or it's cold.
Yeah, it is very cold. This is the ocean temperature. See, this is what you do. See my finger? You just stay there for a minute. It gives you a little squeeze.
Because I didn't wash my hands.
Oh, look at the pretty starfish.
Voudrait dire quelque chose, mais je comprends. Mais comme
What are these?
we can't touch
Ah, c'est des animaux qui les
Bah ouais, et puis en plus ils sont apparemment, notamment en Asie, ils sont très animés avec les morts.
It is. I'm not sure.
On avait des amis.
Oh, look, there's a hermit crab. In the thing.
Are those poisonous?
No, but they're very crabby.
Hello.
English?
Yes.
So that's the white spotted anemone right there.
Yes, it is.
That is
Bloody
just.
blazes is that?
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, it's the California sea cucumber.
Yeah. Right on.
Do they attack at all?
Sorry?
Do they bite?
Oh, not at all. Sea cucumbers are very vulnerable animals. They actually, they have those spikes kind of scare us. All the species don't have the spikes like those, but their body is mostly water. So really, the spikes are just a visual effect to scare other animals and us as humans. But they're so vulnerable. When you touch with your finger, because the body is mostly water, your finger will go through them. It's like jello or water balloon.
Oh, wow.
So really, those animals are very quiet. They won't do actually, you know, and they're scavenger hunters.
Yeah.
So they eat the poop, whatever is left. You know,
Okay.
they clean the tank. So they will never harm you in any way. Yes. We actually used to have them touch, but we stopped because they're so vulnerable. If you press a little bit too much,
Yeah.
your fingers go.
Okay. Look at the anemone. It's moving.
Your finger will go through. Like, you know, you can press in their body. They're not hard at all. They're so soft.
These are real.
These are moon jellyfish.
They're moving. They're moving.
Yeah, so these are called moon jellies.
Guys, there's literally a leprechaun thing. There's a leprechaun.
Can you touch
Oh, wow.
There's a clover on the back of it. Are they actually real?
Yeah, these are actually real jellyfish. This is a real tank.
Can I touch you?
No, you can't.
It'll
Because
shock you.
they sting you.
What? Oh.
All these little tentacles are stingers.
I want to tell you something. It actually has a clover. I didn't even try.
What did you find, Abby?
Stop.
Your brother do some of this, please.
Yeah, look, it's actually a fish tank. Look at the fish. Oh, the fish was looking at you, wasn't it?
It's a catfish.
Oh, it is.
Maman nous attend là. Les amis, vous avez vu les oiseaux? Regarde les oiseaux. Les oiseaux.
Yes, I saw the turtle, yeah. Look, so if you hit these buttons on the walls, you'll hear the sounds of the birds.
Can you spot? T'as vu le snake in the ground? Il y a des
Mosquito. This is what a mosquito.
Listen quietly, you can hear it. Oh. What about the Canadian toad? What about the northern silver? Keep going up. What this? You hear it? It sounds like a mosquito.
Oh, listen to this.
A common garter snake?
Mom, remember when Mom?
Almost stepped on one on the trail? Yes, I remember
So I
that.
remember that I spotted one of these too.
Ugh.
It was about that size too.
Yeah.
I also
Look at the little salamanders.
spotted one of these in one of our trail rocks. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
What's underneath it?
Oh,
A leech? Rock
Leech-
bass?
leech can kill you. Like if there's like 5 minutes.
If you get a lot of them on you, probably.
It can kill you in like 5 minutes. Or
This is like 2 sizes. There's like 2 to 3 sizes times bigger than what they actually are.
That's not true.
no, it is because
American medicinal leech even says on it magnified 2 to 3 times. Cadflies.
Oh my god, that thing's new.
Yeah.
Padfly and
Horse frogs. And
turtle a little bit.
You found turtle? You did find a turtle. Look at that.
It looks like Koopa.
It does. Oh, it's so cute. Is it just the one, or is there a friend?
Babascath. Something that can dive to really deep depths.
What's at the top of
It's
nothing?
nothing.
Look, you can see little things over there.
What does this do? We're actually like, able to twist stuff.
You can go into a space thing. How cool is that?
Come on, Gabe. Gabriel, we're gonna let somebody else have a turn, okay? Thank you.
Wait your turn, sweetheart.
It's okay. He'll.
I found a large spider crab. That type of cake.
We're still in the water one, okay?
So apparently this big whalebone was found in Newfoundland, 1975.
Oh no, I want to touch that.
That's a big.
And this is the end of the water exhibit. Now we're heading to the Earth exhibit. Oh, it's beautiful stones.
Australia.
This is sedimentary rock.
This one's really pretty.
Aquamarine.
Gabe, you know how you were asking about the galaxy? Look, this is a picture of the galaxy. Or the Milky Way.
I already know what the heck the galaxy looks like. I have it as a background. Ooh, 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 ooh. Here's score. Here's score.
Yeah, that's right.
Wait, should we fill these lamps?
Keep going. You're gonna cause an earthquake. Keep going. You're almost there. Now it should show a tsunami. Whoa, Abby, look what you did.
Can I try? Can I try?
Oh wow.
Mm-hmm.
Let me try.
And let your brother try.
And we're going in a little cave.
Oh my goodness. Did you guys spot the bats?
Where's the gas?
We gotta find this.
Where did it say the box was?
What?
I see some.
Where?
Right there. Oh. Hello.
Did you see the bats, Abby? Did you see them? What is that there? Is that a bat? No. Oh, there they are. Right up there. This is a bunch of like different crystals and stones.
I hate
Sapphirite, rosalite, rhodocite. Beautiful. The tourmaline. Beautiful. What are you going to do this time, Abby? Oh, you caused a volcano eruption. Okay. And this is the end of the Earth exhibit. So we are heading into the bird exhibit now. And butterflies. Whoa. Yes, bud. No, that was downstairs in the bottom floor, and it was only here for a short while. It's not here anymore.
Alright.
They have something else down there now.
Bugs alive.
Oh, bugs. They have bugs down there now. We're going there after.
Well, they're actual bugs.
Mm-hmm. I think they're real, yeah.
Yes, they are.
Wait, will they be flying on this thing?
No.
Wow, look at these birds, guys. Wow, so many. I'm gonna start this. I guess we're following the kids, Neil. Look, there's a barn owl, Neil. See what I meant by their flat face? Oh, well, I was wrong. Is that a puffin?
Yes,
yeah,
it
it's
is.
from Newfoundland. I recognized it.
Osprey.
That's a pretty owl.
This is snowy.
Snowy owl. Oh, look at the little baby. Oh, that one is very pretty.
You're a falcon.
And then
Manitoba, Medicaus, here.
and we have many of these on base. And you're not allowed to honk your horn. scare them off or anything like that. You have to stop for them to cross the road. But they're cute. Birds are getting smaller as we go. Oh, look at all the different ducks. Oh, look, we have a wild bird clinic here. We've lost. Oh, there's Gabe. Hi, Gabe. What did you find?
They can even go inside here.
Oh, it's a temporary holding cage.
Also find it here.
Oh.
This is what
I remember this part.
Oh, yes, it's a match game.
Were
Yeah?
we here when the butterflies were here before?
Yes, but we never went to go see the butterflies when they were here before. Because you were little, so we decided not to.
Why? Because you got any scared?
More or less we thought that the butterflies might get injured, so we didn't go. Oh, wow, look at that. Abby, what are you looking at?
Bird vision and human vision.
Sorry, what was that?
Bird vision and human vision.
Oh, okay. So you can see what a bird looks like? Or how a bird sees.
Yeah, it's all blue and green.
I'm pretty sure that's what Slim and the games window that one day.
Why didn't we go to the butterfly?
Look at this bird. It's so pretty. The eastern screech owl. So cute. I like owls in general. I think they're beautiful.
Why didn't we go to the butterfly stand?
Gabe.
The butterfly exhibit's not here anymore. Look at that beautiful red bird right there, Abby. Right there. It's so cute. Oh, and the eastern bluebird there. It's beautiful. And then there's... So we are now complete of the bird and the butterfly exhibit.